Don't you love that gal? I do. Millie the millipede, Millie the millipede, legs aplenty, wow. Her body is round and segmented with an exoskeleton. 200, 400, so many legs from her front to the other end. Every day and every night, Millie is there for me. She tickles when she crawls around. She's cute and cuddly. Woo! Millie the millipede, Millie the millipede.